Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to clear the cache on WhatsApp to keep your app running smoothly. Follow these simple steps to clear WhatsApp cache on your Android device. First, go to your device's settings. Scroll down and find the Apps section, and tap to open it. Next, look for WhatsApp in the list of apps and tap on it. This will take you to the App Info page. Now, tap on the Storage option. Here, you'll see the amount of storage WhatsApp is using for both the app and its cache. To clear the cache, simply tap on the Clear Cache button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Confirm the action, and the cache will be cleared. And that's it. You've successfully cleared the cache on WhatsApp, helping to free up storage space and improve the app's performance. Remember to regularly clear the cache on WhatsApp and other apps to keep your device running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.